Hello, this is my art integrated project of biology, submitted by Anson A. Alex, Jaren K. Jose, Nimal C. Thomas. We are studying in class 9. Our project is based on the chapter Improvement in Food Resources. As our co-state is Himachal Pradesh and this chapter mainly tells about food resources. We are focusing into the topic comparison between food resources in Kerala and Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh was described by the ancient as abode of gods and Kerala is commonly known as God's own country. And we are getting into the point. Main content in our project are main fruits in Kerala and Himachal Pradesh and we are comparing those fruits in Kerala and Himachal Pradesh. Main fruits in Kerala. Kerala is a green state and there are a wide variety of trees and plants. There are different species of trees and some of them are cultivated for fruits. Some of the main fruits giving trees of Kerala are: first one is jackfruit. Jackfruit is also known as the state fruit of Kerala. In India, it is the largest tree-grown fruit. Tropical regions are suitable for the plantation of jackfruit. It is evident that Kerala is the highest producer of this fruit in the world. Apart from all the tropical and exotic fruits in Kerala mentioned above, it is also involved in the plantation of star, gooseberry, custard apple, cashew, coconut, betel nuts, jungle jack, etc. Apart from the plantation of fruits, Kerala is also widely involved in the production of many spices such as cardamom, coffee bean, black pepper, etc. Next is mango. A mango is an edible stone fruit produced by tropical tree Mangifera indica, which is believed to have organized from the region between northwestern Myanmar, Bangladesh and northeastern India. Mangifera indica has been cultivated in South and Southeast Asia since ancient time, resulting in two distinct types of modern mango cultivars, the Indian type and the Southeast Asian type. Other species in the genus Mangifera also produce edible fruits that are also called mangoes, the majority of which are found in the Malaysian ecoregion. Worldwide, there are several hundred cultivars of mango. Depending on the cultivar, mango fruit varies in size, shape, sweetness, skin color, and flesh color, which may be pale yellow, gold, green, or orange. The mango is the national fruit of India, Pakistan, and Philippines. While the mango tree grows to 30 to 40 meter tall, with a crown radius of 10 to 50 meter. The trees are long-lived as some specimens fruit after 300 years. Next is banana. Banana plant is known as Vada in Malayalam language. Musa banana is native to Southeast Asia but also grown in the southern Indian state of Kerala and West Bengal. Different varieties of banana grown in Kerala are Palayam Kodan, Kappapalam, Netrapalam, Morris and red banana. Red banana or Chengadali are known for its softer and sweeter taste, commonly available in markets. Main fruits in Himachal Pradesh. In Himachal, there is a wide variety of fruits, apples being the most popular. First is apple. Apples are the specialty of Himachal Pradesh. The produce is fresh, juicy and oozes with calm. They are the best variety you can find, sir, the globe if you must. The fruit grown on the field surrounding the Toba monastery bears the finest of the finest. Apples are also the state fruit of Himachal Pradesh. The Shimla district produces about 70% of the total apple production of the state. The fruit has an economy of approximately rupees 4,000 crores. Also, there is enough room for choice of the 20 varieties of apple that India produces. 8 of them are grown here in Himachal Pradesh. Next is pear. Pear is one of the most well-known tropical fruits grown in Himachal Pradesh with many health benefits. This includes the boosting of the immune system and provide with a lot of fiber. The cultivated pear area in Himachal Pradesh is 7,470 hectares. It is mostly grown in Shimla and is the third highest grown lowest only to apple and plums. Next is peach. Peach is a famous fruit of Himachal Pradesh. It is also called a smooth stone peach or smooth pit peach, and locally as Bahami and Tirul. It can be found on the Himalayan foothills and the Tibetan plateau, and the best produce is grown at an elevation between 3,000 to 4,000 meters above sea level. This is a no-waste fruit. Literally every component can be used. The fruit can be directly consumed in the form of jams, jellies, pickles and juices. And the seed is an almond substitute. The seed is also used in hair and cooking oil extraction. Well, that we all have. Before concluding our project, we should thank our school principal and CBSE, which gives some wonderful opportunity to creating an amazing